The Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Companies and its key allies decided to hike crude oil output in a moderate fashion. The production was increased by 4 lakh barrels per day in November. This jolted the Brent and WTI crude prices to $81 and $75 respectively, ending crude prices to 3-year highs and adding to inflationary pressure that consuming nations fear will derail an economy recovering from the pandemic. While the demand from the crude importing countries has surged in recent times, the cartel faced calls from big consumers such as the United States and India for extra supplies after oil prices surged more than 50% this year. The OPEC Plus alliance has been conservative in increasing the crude oil output, owing to the uncertainty caused by the pandemic. Additionally, the Deputy Prime Minister of Russia, Alexander Novak, has also said that the oil demand tends to ease in the fourth quarter. Whereas the petrol and diesel prices go up by the increase in taxes by the centre and state in our country, it is also heavily influenced by the surge in crude oil prices. Despite requests by crude consumers to increase output, the oil cartel took the moderate route and thus the fuel prices immediately zoomed in India. In Mumbai, the petrol prices surged to 108.43 rupees and diesel prices soared to 98.80 on October 5th. As the demand for oil is increasing, the supply struggle continues. It would be significant to look out for future hikes by the OPEC Plus alliance and its impact on fuel prices in India. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.